Welcome, welcome. I am so excited for you because I know that you are here because you want to be more successful. You want to help more people and you want to make more income for yourself. This particular training that I've put together is the training that will take you there because it's a 12-week program that I am going to work with you in order to give you the steps that are required for where you are to where you want to be in your business and your life. This training will help you to navigate through all the hurdles that you're going through. It will show you the way out of the maze that you are into. Because one of the things that I'm going to show you in this training is the 8-step sales formula. This sales formula is going to give you the information that you will become a master at sales. And that's why this is called the Sales Mastery Training. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to show you some pitfalls which entrepreneurs and small business owners fall into all the time. So once you're aware of what the pitfalls are, just being aware of it, you will not fall into those. And then you will be on the road to success. Because majority of these, the pitfalls are just knowledge. If you have the knowledge, if you have the awareness of what those pitfalls are, you can avoid them very, very easily. Now in this process, we will be working together for the next 90 days. And believe me, these 90 days are going to be totally transformational for you. Because what we're going to do is we are going to do 1 week a session. Every week we're going to have a session and you are going to actually go ahead and apply this in your life and in your business, get results, come back next week and share your results. Every week there'll be training. There'll be a very interactive Facebook group that you will be a part of. Just the people that are in this group will be a part of this Facebook group and you will be interacting with me, you will be interacting with other participants and you will be getting the success that you're looking for. But don't miss the chance because this is coming up to an end very soon. The sale that we have on right now is coming up to an end very soon. If you are in business, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a small business owner, you need to be here because sales is the key to success for any business. If you get good at sales, your business will explode. You will be successful. You need to know the 8-step formula for success. It's actually the formula for sales, but it is a formula for success. And you will see why I'm saying that in this training. This 8-step formula has been designed by me in order to show you what are the exact things that you need in order for you to be successful. Maybe you do 2 or 3 things, but you do not do all 8. And if you don't do this in a specific order, then you will see you will not get the sales as much as you want. You may generate some amount of sales, but you will not generate the number of sales or the amount in the sales that you really need in order to be successful. This training is the answer for all the struggle that you've gone through. You may have done many courses before this, but sales process being laid out in such an exact manner, you have never been there before. Now, I want to guarantee you this by giving you a money back guarantee. And I know how powerful this is. It's just a matter of you going through this training and applying this step-by-step formula in order for you to get the results. So I'm looking forward to having you at the training. Definitely sign up right now because the offer that we have right now, especially the bonuses, will not last long. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to having you and working with you for the next 12 weeks. Thank you very much, and I look forward to having you in the program.